Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back with our smartwatch Q15 or Q15 smartwatch. Okay, a second video. Okay, review of the smartwatch, a continuation of our review on specs and design. So this time we are going to review the menus and features of the Q15 smartwatch. Okay, so we are going to check it out and see what are the features available in the smartwatch. So again, if you have any questions regarding the Q15 smartwatch, just drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries. Okay, so we have here the smartwatch. So we have here a features, okay, stated on the box. So it is a Bluetooth calling smartwatch. We have 1.69-inch large screen, 2.5D curved glass, custom watch faces, music playback, heart rate monitoring. On the side we do have here again Bluetooth calling, calorie statistics, exercise speedometer, so we expect it to have an automatic activity tracking, heart rate monitoring. We also have alarm, sleep analysis, music player, and information reminder. On the back, we have the specs. Okay, so it is compatible with Android 5.1 and above, iOS 8.2 and above platform. So let's check. Okay, so we have here the smartwatch. Just press this one, ground button, and we have here the watch face. To check on or cycle on the watch face, just swipe from right to left. So we have here several watch faces. Okay, so let's pick this one. Okay, and on the side we have here a support for quick menu. Okay, split screen. So all of the recently accessed apps or features is available here in the quick menu or split screen. From top to bottom we have the quick settings. Okay, it's a Bluetooth. I guess this is for the screen brightness. Okay, let's put it on the mid. Then what else? Okay, we have Bluetooth here. So this one is calculator. Oh no, I think it's dial pad. Okay, so this one, it is a menu style. We have at least three styles: Gypsophilia style, grid style, and block list. Okay, let's check on the block list on the bottom part. Okay, so this is the block list, I think. Okay, how about this one? Okay, Gypsophilia style. Okay, so somewhat like a bubble type menu. Okay, let's go back. Grid style. Okay, so we have here some of the features. Bluetooth function here. It supports dial, contacts, call logs. We have message notifications. Let's see if this thing is working. So it has no support for rotary function. Okay, so you have to use the swipe function to access the menus. Okay, we have pedometer, sleep monitoring, sedentary reminder. We have Bluetooth camera, Bluetooth music, find phone. We also have an alarm, settings, about, brightness. We have QR code. We have reset, shutdown. We also have a heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen function. We have language support. So we have here some of the sports function. We have running, skipping, cycling, okay, climbing. So we have at least 4 sports function here. Okay, so it has the basic sport function. We have weather, stopwatch, calculator. Okay, we have the style. Okay, I think we already done with this. We have the Siri support, breath training. For the application, we have WhatsApp here, We have Facebook, Skype, Twitter. Okay, dual mode. Okay, so let's check on the heart rate here. Okay, running. Okay, so it's now measuring the heart rate. Let's see. Okay, going back. We have the blood pressure. We have blood oxygen. For the running, let's see if what are the features. Okay, so it monitors for the time, distance, and calories. Going back. Language support, let's check. We have English here, Chinese, French, Spanish, okay, and other languages here. Okay, we have Filipino, Indonesia here. Okay, that's it. And what else? About. So we have here hello Q15, hello Q15. Brightness, find phone, alarm, sedentary reminder. Okay. We also have a breath training here. Weather. And let's see. I'm curious about the other features here. QR code. So here we have the app download. HRY Find application. So we are going to check on that later on. Okay. And we also have a sedentary reminder. Bluetooth camera. On the settings we have brightness, hand light. This is this hand light. I guess this is your flip wrist to adjust screen time, or flip wrist to display screen. We have screen time here, so we set it 30 seconds. Do not disturb mode. We have vibration. We have the style, language mode, find phone. We also have a password, and we have a reboot, restore factory settings, and shutdown. Okay, I guess that's it for the different menus and features of the smartwatch. We have at least several watch faces here preloaded to the wearable. Again, this is your Q15 smartwatch. Okay, so it's a mid-range simple wearable with at least 4 sports function and support for smart notifications and Bluetooth call. Again, if you have any questions regarding the Q15 smartwatch, just drop a comment below, and of course we will try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Bye.